What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video we are going to the Restoration Hardware outlet. I was so shocked at how big this store is. They had so much stuff, and right when you first walk in there is a ton of patio furniture. I absolutely love this plant. This was inspired by what I built and created on my kitchen table, and here are some. This is like an acai wood table, which reminds me so much of the one I got from Target on my patio. Moving on, we have tons of different types of tables. Unfortunately, this one was damaged quite a bit, but it's still really beautiful, that nice cement look. And again, here is another close-up of that acai table. And I really cannot believe, I had no idea the one that I had on my patio from Target was a dupe. They also have tons of cushions, as you can see here. There were loose ones as well as ones inside packages. And then as you move forward, you get into the other types of furniture. So some more tables. And now we have couches. These couches are so massive and so beautiful. Unfortunately, the white ones were pretty damaged and dirty. I also love this dresser or drawer set, and I couldn't figure it out at first, but it is a push and then it springs out, so you have no handles, so I love that. This nice upholstered daybed, it is a tufted daybed. I think it's so beautiful and chic in a nice neutral color. And this beautiful wood armoire, super tall, super luxe, absolutely beautiful, but pretty pricey, as you can see the price right here. $1,450. Moving on to another beautiful rattan bed. This reminds me of Crate and Barrel. I absolutely love this headboard. And then here is a closer up picture of those couches that are so beautiful and deep, but unfortunately, like I said, they were dirty. Here's another beautiful white armoire. I love how simple and antique this looked. And here were some more drawer sets, just smaller versions of the 2-drawer wooden drawer sets. That is a beautiful, beautiful little couch to put on the end of your bed, but unfortunately, as you can see, it was still $2,200. Otherwise, I would have bought it because I loved it. And then this massive, I don't even know what this is, couch, I guess. Moving on to desks, I think this white desk is gorgeous. I love the simplicity of the white with the gold brass accents, and it does come with the drawers on the sides. And then in addition, back here, as you can see, they had different drawer sets, so you can mix and match and add if you're building out an office. So I really, really love the modern simplicity of these. This little daybed is for a baby. I know. Just thought it was cute and had to throw it in there. They had a ton of baby stuff. So if you know anyone that's having babies or redoing their bathroom, they had a whole little section for that. This nice granite countertop was $1,800. And then this crib was super cute and simple, but pretty expensive as well. Moving on to the rugs. I love this jute rug, but I did not love the price. It was $1,400. I feel like you could definitely get a better deal on a jute rug, although it was massive. They had a ton of different rugs, as you can see here. And then this coffee table, which I love, it reminds me of the one I have from Macy's. It is a marble top. And then this console table, which was a dark brown espresso wood color to go behind the couch. And I loved it, but it was not big enough. Here's another version of a console table for behind the couch. I wasn't sure about the color of wood, but I love the modern simplicity of that. Here's some more options for marble top coffee tables and accent tables. Super, super pretty and super chic. I love the round one. This console table was gorgeous. It was an ostrich type leather. I just love the texture of it, and then the matching armoire and buffet to go with it. And then I loved these modern simple chairs that were dining room chairs, but not loving the color. Here are a ton of different desks. My husband actually loves this desk and is going to get it for his office upstairs. The price tag was about $1,200. Of course, he won't be including that chair. He hates that chair, but I love the desk. It's very nice, modern, and simple. and I think it was $1,200. They did have a ton of bar stools. However, I didn't find any that I loved. I'm hoping to get some to change out the ones that I have for a little bit more of a modern touch, but they did have a lot to choose from. I personally love these white dining room chairs. They're simple and chic, but my husband loathes them. I also did look at all of these leather chairs that they had as well for dining room chairs. The price tag on these wasn't too bad, but they only had a few. They didn't have as many as I needed. Price on these is $430 a piece, which isn't crazy for leather chairs. These I loved, but of course when you turn them around, they're on hold for somebody. Anything good that I found was on hold already for somebody, and they're like a nice rattan material. So here is a wide shot of all of the beautiful chairs and dining room tables that they have. Such a great selection to choose from, tons of different finishes, and a nice assortment of wood and fabric combinations to choose from. Here's another nice dining room set and those more modern chairs at a different glass table. And then moving on to the lamps, there was only one lamp that I really liked, and it's this nice black and marble one that I'm pointing to right here. None of them have the shades on for whatever reason. They were just the bases, but they did have quite a bit to choose from selection-wise. I was looking for something more plain and black, but I did not find what I was looking for. Then I ran into this massive, giant-size chandelier. And of course, a beautiful gilt mirror, but again, it was already on hold for somebody else, unfortunately. But it was a gold, kind of the medium size, and $390. Moving on to the rugs, this one was $15.90, which again, I think you can get a much better deal for rugs, but I did love the gray and white accents. They had a couple that were hanging up, and then this jute one right here, and then the rest were laying down. And this is just a nice wide view of all of the mirrors. The only good mirror that they had was that nice gilt mirror that obviously was already on hold, so I couldn't get that for myself. I love this dining room table, again, with those nice slipcover chairs. And they just had a small section of the artwork, which, it was okay. And that wraps up the Restoration Hardware shop with me. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.